Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how I made and decorated this Christmas cupcake. Christmas is around the corner, so this video will help you decorate your Christmas cupcake, which can be ideal or used as one of the gifts you present to your friends, families, and your loved ones. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, keep on watching. But before we get right into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon right beside it to be notified once I upload a new video. These are my leftover fondant. I preserve them by wrapping it tightly with a cling film, then putting it in an airtight container or a food flask. As you can see, this is after a day I made it and it is still soft. So we'll be using some of it for today's video. I'll prepare the cupcakes by applying buttercream to it so that the fondant can stick to it. The link of the video of how I made the smooth and off-white buttercream is up here or in the description box. I will apply it lightly so that when I stick the fondant to it, it won't come out from the side or become messy. I'll do the rest of the camera and we'll be right back. I'll use the third to the biggest cookie cutter for this. Let's make Santa Claus. To make Santa's face, I'll be using the skin colored fondant, which I achieved by adding a little yellow, brown and pink food gel color to a fondant. And to work with any fondant, you need to make it pliable by kneading properly with shortening. The link to the video of how to make all-weather fondant is up here or in the description box, so do check it out later. I sprinkled a little corn flour to prevent the fondant from sticking to the table. Then using my rolling pin, I rolled out the fondant. And to begin, I used my cookie cutter to cut out 2 circles. And this is the thickness of the fondant. So I'll go ahead to stick it to the cupcakes with the help of my buttercream. So this is why I said apply the buttercream lightly so that it won't be pressed out through the sides and become messy when we attach the fondant to it. The next thing is to make Santa's beard, and I'll do that by rolling out a white fondant. Then using the same cookie cutter, I'll cut out a circle, and afterwards use a smaller cutter to cut out half moon. I'll stick it to the face by using my paintbrush to apply a little water as my glue. Then to make it look more realistic, I will use my fondant tool to shape and make some lines on it, just like this. And to make Santa's hat, I'll roll out a red colored fondant, measure Santa's face, then use the measurement to cut out a triangle. Next, I'll roll out a white fondant using a ruler and a pizza cutter. I'll cut out a stripe. Then using water, I'll attach it on Santa's hat and cut out the excess. The next thing is to attach it on Santa's head. I cut out a little part of Santa's hat so that it can have a good shape when I fold it like this. And I'll stick it down using water. Next, I roll the white ball and I'll attach it at the tip of Santa's hat. I rolled out a tiny fondant into a sausage shape for the brows and I will attach it using water. Then using the tip of my paintbrush, I created a hole and I inserted 2 little white balls as the eyes. Using this food coloring pen, I'm going to make the eyes look more realistic by coloring some part of the eyes blue. Then I went further to attach the black part and a little white one. And to make the tongue, I rolled out a red fondant and I attached it in the hole I created for it. To make Santa's mustache, I freehand cut it, but if you can't do it, you can first of all cut it out on a cardboard, place it on your fondant and use it as your template. And to make it look more realistic, I'll be using my fondant tool to make some lines on it. Then using water, I'll attach it on the face. And to make the nose, I rolled out a bowl using the skin colored fondant. And here we have our Santa.
Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
Let's make Mrs. Claus. To make Mrs. Claus's hair, I'll roll out an ash colored fondant. Then using my cookie cutter, I'll cut out 2 circles. I'll use my ruler to cut out a V shape. Then I'll attach it using water. And to make it look realistic, I'll make some lines using my fondant tool. I'll cut out another V shape, but this time around a smaller one. Then I'll attach it on top of the first one, like this. I'll go ahead to also make some lines with my fondant tool. And to beautify Mrs. Claus's hair, I'll make a bow using the red fondant. And I'll attach it on her hair using water. Then I'll make some lines on the bow. And Mrs. Claus's hair is ready. Then I'll go through the same process of making the eyebrows and the eyeballs. It's time to attach the nose using the skin colored fondant. And to make it have a smiley face, I'll use my fondant tool to make a curved line as the mouth. And here we have Mrs. Claus.
Merry Christmas!
Let's make snowman. To begin, we'll roll out and cut our white fondant with our cookie cutter. And we'll attach it on our cupcake. And to make the snowman's hat, we'll roll out a green fondant, cut out a circle and a stripe. I'll use my ruler to cut the circle in half. To make some designs on the cap, I'll use my ruler to make a crisscross line on it. Then I'll attach it using water. Then I'll also attach the stripe on the cap, cut out the excess and make some lines on it. With a toothpick, I will attach that ball that is normally seen on top of a winter cap. I'll poke holes on it to make it look like a roll. Using a black rolled fondant, I will insert the eyes. And to make the nose, I use the skin colored fondant to make a cone. And for the mouth, I used water to attach black little balls to form the mouth. And to make snowman's muffler, I'll roll out a red fondant. Using my cookie cutter, I'll cut out a curved stripe. Then I will attach it with water and cut out the excess. To make the tip of snowman's muffler, I'll cut out 2 stripes. Using my hand, I'll flatten it a little bit, and with the scissors, I'll give it some cuts. I'll go ahead to place it by the side of Snowman's muffler, and here we have the snowman. Let's make the Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. To begin, I'll cover my cupcake with a brown fondant. Using a black fondant, I'll add the eyes, and I'll make it pop by adding a white one. And for the mouth, I flattened 2 round brown fondant. Then I made a curve with the fondant and attached it under the 2 round balls. And for the nose, I'll be attaching a red ball, making it a red-nosed reindeer. And for the ear, I flattened a brown fondant and a white smaller one on top. And here we have Rudolph the reindeer. Let's make penguin. I'll cover my cupcake with a black fondant. And to make the hat, I'll cut out a triangle on a red fondant. Next, I'll cut out a white stripe using water to attach it on the hat. Next, I will attach the hat on the cupcake. I used my cookie cutter to mark the heart shape on the white fondant. With that, I was able to cut out a heart shape using my fondant tool. But if you can't do that, you can always cut out a cardboard paper and place it on your fondant. Then I attached it and cut out the excess. And for the eyes, I rolled out a black fondant, and to make it pop, I also placed a white fondant on it. And for the nose, I rolled a skin-colored fondant into a cone, and I used my fondant tool to open it up a little. I'll make a muffler same way I made for the snowman. And here we have our penguin. Let's make Santa's suit. To begin, I'll cover my cupcake with a red fondant. And to make a white design on the suit, I'll cut out a white fondant. And using the design part of my cookie cutter, I'll cut out a curve. Then I attached it on the red fondant using water. To make the belt, I'll cut out a stripe on a black fondant. Then I'll go ahead to stick it on the red fondant. And to make the buttons, I rolled out 2 black fondants. And to make the belt buckle, I rolled out a yellow fondant into a tiny sausage and I'll be attaching it with water. And finally, we have Santa's suit. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.